I, Bartholomew Egerton III, have always considered myself the arbiter of fine taste in the culinary world. Caviar was my ambrosia, the food of the gods. Deviled eggs? Pfft, a plebeian dish at best. But then the unthinkable happened. Egg prices soared higher than my expertly coiffed hair. It was a dark day for gastronomy. Caviar became as rare as a well-done steak in my restaurant reviews. Suddenly, deviled eggs were everywhere, at galas, at the soirees, at my neighbour's barbecue, and deviled eggs at the Rothschilds' annual ball. What's next? Ketchup at the Queen's tea party. But then, I tasted one. And another, the creamy yolk, the tangy mustard, the sprinkle of paprika. It was a symphony in my mouth. I felt my monocle pop out in shock. Could it be? Had I been wrong all this time? I imagined the headlines, "Food critic powered by egg farts saves the planet." I had seen the light, or rather the yolk. Deviled eggs were the new caviar. Now I spread the gospel of the deviled egg wherever I go. Join me, won't you, in this excellent adventure? Remember, dear viewers, in the world of haute cuisine, sometimes it's the humble egg that rises to the top. And if anyone tells you differently, well, they're just full of hot air. Unlike me, who's full of eco-friendly egg gas. Bartholomew Egerton III signing off. May your yolks always be creamy and your paprika always be sprinkled just so.